Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm checking out something really cool. It's the Gardenreet Mini 12-volt landscape spotlight. Super excited to get into this one. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. So right out of the box, you get this solid spotlight, and I gotta say, it's a nice weight to it. You could really feel the quality. It also comes with a ground stake, a waterproof connector, and some instructions. All right, now I'm outside. Time to install the spotlight. I've got a low voltage transformer already set up, so this should be a breeze. Setup took maybe 5 minutes. Just connect the wires, place it where you want, and you're good to go. Spotlight is fully adjustable, so you can aim it wherever you want. Trees, walkways, your house, whatever. Okay, now this is what I wanted to see. Look at that. The Gardenreet Spotlight throws a clean, bright beam. It really makes your yard pop. And because it's a low voltage and uses LED, it's super energy efficient too. This would be awesome if you wanted to add some mood lighting, increase curb appeal, or just light up some dark areas around your home. So here are my honest thoughts. The Gardenreet Mini Spotlight feels very premium, was super easy to install, and the night view was really impressive. If you're looking for an outdoor lighting that looks high end without being complicated, I totally recommend it. I'll drop the link below if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.